To create a report, go to the Reports page and make sure you are in build mode. On the left, you will see 4 containers for rows, columns, values, and filters. Report Engine works similarly to a pivot table builder. Click on the plus button to select fields in each container. Make sure to pause between each selection to let the system refresh. Rearrange the fields within the rows and columns containers. Simply drag and drop. Before you add values, make sure at least one field is added to both rows and columns. Otherwise, the Values dropdown will not be active. Now, this may be more information than you need. To focus on specific retailers, brands, or fiscal years, you can use filters. Add grand totals to add up all rows or columns if needed. Save your report and give it a descriptive name.